Okay, you get it right. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to run Linux from browser. So let's get started. Now, first open up any browser and search for Hackthebox Academy. Click on the first search result. In my case, I'm going to log in, but you must have to sign up. As you can see, I have logged into my account. This is Hackthebox Academy. Here you can get free access to not only a Linux operating system named Parrot OS, but also you can learn fundamental of ethical hacking. Now notice one thing real quick. This is Cube. You can recognize it as a currency of this website. Then click on Module and All Module. Now scroll down a bit. Here, Linux Fundamentals. As you can see, 10 cubes needed, but up there also you can see 10 cubes. It means if you fully complete this Linux Fundamental course, you will get your 10 cubes back. So it's literally free. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Start Instance. Now you have to wait for some time depending upon on your internet speed. Don't worry. If you're new on Linux, you can get all the instruction from Hackthebox community as a beginners. There are many more things to explore. You can explore it later for yourself. Here you will find some info about Linux fundamentals, components, file system hierarchy, and all the basic knowledge about Linux to get started from scratch. Finally, our Linux system is ready. Let's interact with the Linux system. So, this is our Linux desktop environment. Let's run some commands and see how it works. This is Parrot OS, a distro of Debian Linux. Let's open up the terminal and type our first command. Okay, let's try typing who am I in terminal. As you can see, everything working nicely. Now let's try typing another command. Okay, you will explore more the more you will use. For more like this such type of content, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Goodbye.